my name is Mike B.
And I'm Eve.
This is level 5 Uptown Swing. We kind of had to make up some stuff today because we only had one follow. So we changed it up a bit. We asked what you wanted to learn, and this is what we kind of threw at you. So this first move, we're going to start with the cross game hold. I believe it's an 8-count move. It'll look like this. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, triple step. So it's a redirection in the middle. We're going to get our left hand on her left tricep as she comes through. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we go all the way through the 5 to redirect. Triple step. Okay, next move. The Tatiana Coney move. Okay. We're not going to really have any steps in this one. This is just kind of a weird variation of a pretzel. Check it out. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, down, down. Something like that. Yeah, you had to be there for that one. Okay. What do we do next?
That flaily thing.
The little flippies that flip? Okay, so this is a, I don't know what you call this, a little hip trip into a drag. We're going to start with kickball change on the leader's left foot. 5, 6, 7, and kickball change. We get underneath the follow and bring her in front into a drag position. I'll do it a little bit quicker. 6, 7, and kickball change. Move her around. You will notice that it's all about my hip action. I'm bringing the follower around into position. Her legs are actually pretty relaxed there. We're using our upper body to make sure that we're strong here through the move. What else? Oh, we worked on spins. Yeah, then we worked on spins. We did a lot today, guys. It was crazy. It was all over the place. We did a little spinning drill where we were making sure we were prepping, we were getting on our balance, and then we were doing turns all the way around. And then we put those spins into moves. So from a swing out, it would look like this. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we can spin as much as we want. Once again, leaders who are hopping out on 5, keeping your weight on 5, keeping your upper body kind of straight here. Your weight is going to be over that bent leg, and then you pull in that leg to spin as much as you can. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Rock step. As many spins as you want. We added that same spin quickly at the end just for fun into our change places. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Same exact thing that we did. We're hopping on 5, using our follower to stabilize. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Use the leg to spin us around. Okay? That's all we did.